That's all right. Something happened. Something happened.
But I finally hooked something and it felt like a fish. He's a pretty good little black drum there. Man, he fought. Man, he fight good. All right, is it true what I told McKinley? I've heard about red drum, but they're black drum, only drum if they're males, because everyone I catch drums. But the reds very rarely. Listen to this guy. Well, he wasn't getting off. Fourteen's pretty big. Yep, he's about 15. I think that day when I cooked the two of them together, the black drum was the better. That day I cooked two of them, the red and the black, and I was trying to keep track and I lost track. Okay, this is a 2 for 1.
3 for 1.
Yep, there's a crab, ladyfish.
I got a part of a crab. Look.
There's your baby tarpon. You catch those suckers. Those will eat you to pieces. Yep. They're good cut bait. Stingray, they normally don't come to the top like that. But it felt like a stingray. It just picked it up and swam away from me. Like it was flying. I may have him hooked in the side of the wing or something. Something's weird about the way I got him hooked. I got him in the mouth. Oh man, that's a little baby. You got one over there?
Stingray and a cat, a double header all day.
Are you serious?
Stingray and a cat.
Lady, another ladyfish. Ooh, ray of the day. That is a big one. Okay. Put my finger on the trigger. Oh, he's done throwing the hook dead. I'm sitting here messing around my camera. That's about the second biggest croaker I've ever caught out here. I don't normally catch good ones. We got some noise makers in here.
Yeah, it's a fish.
Hopefully it's another croaker.
Yeah.
Is it a freshwater cat though? It is, isn't it?
I don't know.
Little butterball. Look at that stomach on that thing.
He don't look right,
That's
does
my
he?
mascot.
He don't look right, does he? Look at the belly on that thing.
Golly.
He's something wrong with him.